Hello and welcome back to banner ads part number 2. In this specific video, I'm going to show you how to add the banner ads to the sidebar. So we're going to take the banner ads that we created in the previous video and we're going to add it to the sidebar. And also I'm going to show you how to make the banners clickable so that it can go to a specific website address, or you can make it go to a specific page on your website, which is what we recommend that you do. So with that said, let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So I got several banners here, and as you can see, we've got some skinny ones with a little bit of width, the square boxes here, and the ones like this. So in this example, I'm going to be, let's say we're going to use this one right here. The 250 by 250 pixel banner ad. And this is the site. And let's say that I want to add the banner ad over here somewhere. Let's say at the very top here. So what I need to do is, of course, you're going to need to have, number one, the banner ad in hand. And number two, you need to have an idea of where you want to redirect them. So first things first, I am going to upload the banner ad or the image. So I'm going to go to media and click on add new. And then I'm going to simply find it and drag and drop it over to here. So simply do this. Click on edit and it's good to go. So what I want is the file URL. So if you highlight this here, right click and copy this, you're going to need this later on. Now you're going to go to plugins and you're going to find a specific plugin called Image Banner Widget. So do a search for that specific plugin, and this is the plugin that we're going to be using. And then we're going to click on Install Now, click on OK, enter your FTP username and password, click Activate Plugin, and there we go. Now that this plugin is activated, what this allows us to do is it allows us to put a banner image onto a widget. So now we can go to the widget section and click on widgets. And as we can see here with this specific theme, there's only one widget area, which is called widget area 1. And this is the widget area here. So I don't want any of this information here, so I'm going to remove everything here. And if I go back to the main page and refresh the page, you can see that it is empty here. So now when I put the image of the banner ad, it should appear here. Now remember a while back when we uploaded the image to the media library and I told you to remember to get the link to that specific image? Well, now you're going to need it. If you see image banner ad widget, drag and drop this over to here. The image URL is going to be the actual image. Now you can upload and select from media by clicking this here, going to media library and selecting the banner ad image here. That works, or you can simply enter that here. I like to do this route simply because it's easier, it's faster, and it's more reliable. The link is basically where you want the banner ad to link. So if you wanted to go to Google, you could have it go to Google. So for example, if I say google.com, click on save here, and I refresh the page, as you can see, we have the banner ad here. And if I click on this, as we can see, it goes to Google. Now, what I'd recommend that you actually do is create a post or a page on your specific site and then link to that poster page, because what happens there is you're actually keeping people on your site. And to do that, if you, let's say, create a new page, we'll call it roofing, click on publish, and you're going to need the link. So view page, if you right click, click copy link address, and simply go over to here and enter the link here, click on save. And if I refresh the page here, we see the page that says roofing here. If I go back here and I click on the banner ad, as you can see, it goes to our roofing page. So that's the strategy that I would recommend that you use instead of sending these people off to a separate page, unless this is an actual sponsor ad where you're bringing people elsewhere or you're promoting another product. And that's it. So remember just to add the image to the media library, install the image banner widget plugin, go to widgets, simply drag this over here, enter the image URL, the link URL, and that's it.